Hello everyone, I am Jayashree Divte, UISST teacher from Signet Public School, New Nare. How are you students? What are you doing at home? Are you getting bored? Yes. So now what are you doing with each other? So we are communicating with each other. This is called communication. What is communication? Communication is sending or receiving information in the people. So that information can be written or can be spoken. There are two types of communication, personal communication and mass communication. In a previous day, it was used horses, pigeons, camels and the messengers for the communication. But now it is advanced technology used for the communication. Mass communication. What is mass communication? The information which is shared to the large number of people is called mass communication. So students, today we are going to learn the topic mass communication, means of mass communication. There are various means of mass communication: printing, radio, television, cinema, internet, satellite communication. These all things are used as a mass communication. So first we will see printing. In the printing we used books, magazines, letters and written material as a printing. Newspaper. What it contains? Mostly news, educational information, entertainment, advertise. These all things contained in a newspaper. Do you know what is the name of the first newspaper which was published in Bengal? That name is Bengal Gazette. Okay. So let's see the second means of communication. It is the mostly we are seeing mass communication. Okay students. So next is television. Television, it was made in 1926. Television broadcast so many channels. Means television broadcast it programs with so many channels. These channels broadcast entertainment program, dance and music programs, educational programs. It's also contain news. Okay, so these channels are broadcasting through the television. So main broadcast channel is Doordarshan. Okay, so television is also very important mode of communication. Nowadays television popular among the people. Why? Because we can see television in every house. It is very cheap and mostly available everywhere. So next we are going to see radio. The greatest Indian scientist Bose, he invented that the radio signals can be go to the longer distance. The signals has so much frequency. The radio has made in a very old period. It has many ways to communicate with the people. So do you know students, radio also used so many channels. All India Radio is main broadcasting channel of radio, but other channels are FM, Radio Mirchi, Akashvani. These are also popular in the people. Now we'll see the next mass communication. This is internet. Internet is the highway of communication. It is known a super fast mode of communication. You will get any information from any corner of the world from the internet. It is called the super highway of information. Why? Because we can get any information from any corner of the world. Students, internet is the super fast mode of communication. What are you using in the internet? It is available there various websites, blogs, Wikipedias on the internet. So next mass communication is satellite. So do you know what is satellite communication? Yes, there is the satellite communication means it is electronic device that sent to the space through the rocket. If it always revolve around to the earth. Do you know, students? They always receiving and sending the signals, and through these signals we can see the matches, football matches and any current live things from any corner of the world. It is also used in the telephone and computer signals. Means whatever computer and telephone got the signals, that signals also come through the satellite communication. Aryabhatta was the first artificial satellite which we sent into the space. Let's see the next means of communication. Cinema. Wow! Have you seen cinema, students? Cinema is the most popular and important mass of communication. It is very important means of communication. See, in India, every state has their own film industry. These films broadcast educational, social and cultural values. Mostly cinema is used for the current social issues. It aware us about the social current issues. So many social problems it shows through the films, and these industries or cinema is a very popular mode of communication. Let me conclude the topic, students. Today we learn about what is communication and means of mass communication. In the means of mass communication, we learn about printing, television, cinema, internet, radio and satellite communication. I hope you understand very well the topic. Thank you.